This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Ann Davis. Welcome to this beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bath single-family home in the desirable Norfolk Highlands subdivision of Chesapeake, where the downstairs open floor plan immediately steals the show. The main floor flows effortlessly from a bright, welcoming living area into a modern dining space and an updated kitchen, perfect for entertaining friends and family, or simply enjoying the openness of the home. The first and second floor primary bedrooms offer lifestyle flexibility, a uniqueness which is challenging to find in a home. The generous backyard offers even more room to relax and unwind. Ready for you to call this home. December 10, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact Ann Davis at 757-422-2200.